I used to hate parties, and I was terrible at talking to more than one person at a time. But then something changed. I discovered how to actually fit in with a group, how to enjoy parties, even as an introvert. Now parties feel like opportunities to have a good time, not survive the night. And I want that for you too, even if you're just like me. Today I'm going to show you exactly what I did and what I stopped doing to become the life of almost any party or group in just 3 steps. Oh man, it's good to be here with you. Now let's start with the elephant in the room. What even is a group? To me, a group is any situation with more than 2 people interacting. And almost everything I believed about talking to people was completely wrong, especially in groups. I used to think being introverted meant I was doomed forever. But let me tell you right now, being an introvert will not stop you. It didn't stop me, and I'll explain why later. You can find group conversations anywhere: parties, meetings, dinners, lunches, even at moments you least expect. And here's something I believe. Groups are naturally chaotic. They don't follow the clean, polite rules of a one-on-one conversation. Everyone wants to speak. Everyone wants the group's approval. Sometimes people want the conversation to go in totally different directions, and that's normal. It's human nature. People interrupt. People talk over each other. People jump from topic to topic. But because we expect groups to behave like one-on-one conversations, we get frustrated. We shut down. We walk away. So what did I do? What rules did I follow instead? Step 1, I let go of control. I let Jesus take the wheel and simply went with the flow. Group conversations weren't worse than one-on-ones. They just weren't as deep. So I stopped worrying about the perfect outcome. Here's what I changed. If I had something smart or clever to say, and the moment moved too fast, and the topic changed, I just let it go. I didn't cling to it. I didn't sit there waiting for the perfect opening. Instead, I relaxed into the chaos. And something amazing happened. I started sensing the right moments to speak. And when my moment came, I spoke loudly, clearly, and confidently without cutting anyone off. Talking became fun, not stressful. But this brings up a very important question. If you're not talking, what should you be doing? Think about how good it feels when a group actually listens to something you say, not just hears it, but absorbs it. There is a way to make your words land more often, a way to make almost everything you say feel relevant and interesting. It's simple. Step 2, I used active listening. Yes, I keep talking about it because it works. Active listening is a superpower. It makes others feel heard. It teaches you more about the group, and it builds something incredibly valuable: goodwill. When you really listen to people, empathetically, without judging, they start listening to you too. In groups, I used active listening constantly. I paid attention to people's perspectives. I nodded, reacted, asked short questions. I connected dots between people's ideas. The more I listened, the more the group leaned in when I spoke. Because people always reciprocate how you make them feel. But listening isn't the final secret. There's one more mindset shift that changed everything for me. Step 3, I became a team player. Most people think being good in groups means telling great stories, being hilarious, being the loudest voice. I believe that too. But when I discovered the truth, it hit me like a giant bus. I wanted to be liked by everyone, and that blinded me from what I really wanted: to have fun and fit in. People in groups want one thing: to feel included. Not impressed, included. And when I realized this, everything changed. No amount of jokes or perfect timing would make me the life of the party. Being a team player would. So instead of trying to make myself look good, I tried to help the group succeed. I learned about people, brought positive energy, showed empathy, made space for others, included quieter people, supported the flow instead of controlling it. This didn't require much talking, or extroversion, or being the funny guy, just selfless goals. And that's the key. The mindset. Be the energy you want the group to have. Once I embraced this, everything changed. I fit in naturally. People enjoyed being around me. Group conversations felt easy, and parties became something I genuinely look forward to. I hope this helps you enjoy your next group conversation or party in a way you didn't think was possible. Because if an introvert like me can do it, trust me, you can too. I'll see you next week.